unboxing my A31 Samsung. And here it is. Okay, so we have to remove it. I don't know what is really inside. And look at this, guys. Then it should be sealed. Okay, this one, and that's it. Okay, so this is it. Oh, and there is a case. It's good we didn't buy case cover for the protection. It's a free one. And then this is the mobile. Then this is the, if you are Arabic, you can use this. If you're English, you can use this. And this is the warranty card. Charger. And headphone. And connection of the charger. Okay, so here it is. Actually, we bought it with a free headset also from Sharap DG. So when you are going to buy this, you have free. So I don't know how much is that if you're going to buy it. So we have to remove it. Okay. Okay, now in this Samsung, they have Infinity U display, quad camera, on-screen fingerprint, I don't know. And then this one. Okay. So I have to open it from this. Ah, nice one. Okay. And then since I have this, I have to good one. It's good. So this one now. So this is the charger, and this is the headphone. Twang twang. It's good. Headphone. Actually, guys, this is only like 700 something. So it's good for taking videos and also for taking pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras also. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching.